Hi guys, welcome to SA Kicks and Reviews. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the men's Sorbet ceramic and titanium hair clipper. Now this definitely is an high-end clipper guys. As you can see on the box, the ceramic blades, the combs, and this model comes with a docking station as well. Definitely a precision trimmer, and we're going to be unboxing it to see what it comes with as well as the functionality of it. Guys, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. So inside of the box we have one Sorbet cordless trimmer. That's one instruction manual. This is the docking station for your cordless trimmer. And now as we unbox the trimmer, we can see the accessories. And these are your combs. That's one charging cable. This trimmer comes with combs and guards, as we can see. However, the box states that it has an adjustment knob to further adjust the trimmer to your desired length. Definitely a high-end clipper guys. Looking at the accessories as well shows that it definitely is a prestigious trimmer with all of the right tools and accessories for your haircut. Now this is the docking station, a simple 2-pin power source at the back, and makes it compatible and easy for you to use with a docking station. Now this is your instruction manual, available in multiple languages. I suggest reading this thoroughly before operating your hair trimmer to get a better idea of how to operate your Sorbet trimmer. This is your charging cable guys. A simple 2-pin power source that connects to your docking station or your trimmer, and on the other end a USB 2 fitting that you can plug anywhere for power. As you can see, it fits on snug and easy on your docking station, and after use you can leave it there to get a quick recharge or recharge over time so you can enjoy continuous power. This does not come with a charger head guys, just a USB 2 fitting. And these are your combs or your guards that come with your Sorbet trimmer. So there's 4 guards from number 1 to number 4. One small cleaning brush as well that's included in this kit. And this is your oil lubrication guys for your trimmer. Always remember to lubricate and oil up your trimmer to give you the best performance possible. And now we're going to be unveiling the Sorbet trimmer. And this is the trimmer guys. Definitely feels high quality, has a good weight to it. It's not light at all, has a good grip. Those are your ceramic and titanium blades. The back of it shows your wattage and voltage. As you can see, the back has your titanium blade and the smaller blade is ceramic. So that round adjustment knob adjusts your trimmer to your desired length, and you can also use your guard with that. Now it's fully charged. As you can see, it has a small LED display showing you 3 bars of power, and that will determine your battery life when using the trimmer. Definitely a good weight to it. The round adjustment knob gives you a better adjustment lever for the trimmer, and as you can see, that's how it slots into your docking station. Very simple. And you have that USB 2 plugged into your power source, and once you're using your trimmer, you leave it onto your docking station for continuous power and for always recharging your trimmer. Now your charging cable can fit directly onto your trimmer as well, simply by doing that, and you plug in your USB 2 on the other end. I must say this is a very prestigious trimmer, guys. The ceramic and titanium blades are not zero gapped, however. On the last setting, which is 0.8, it's close enough, but it's not zero gapped. So much more of a high-end cut, but not as sharp as other trimmers. A very excellent trimmer indeed. And as I've said, it is not zero gapped, so it will not give you a close cut.